Hi there friends, welcome to another unboxing. I am checking out this magnifying glass with a light as well, with a stable base here. Check this out. It has a little cleaning cloth, instructions. Right, whoa, look at that. That is really good. I can zoom in quite nicely on that. So whether you are working on a little project or something, magnifying glass, very handy. Tie flying or threading needles, a bunch of different applications this can be used for. This can be actually mounted on a desk or something as well, if I can open the bag up, that is. Okay, so it has this where I could just mount this right here on my table. I'll just demonstrate that real quick for you guys. And this has a USB-A plug-in, so the table is, this will work. This gives you a few inches, a couple to be able to attach onto there. That's pretty solid. Then I can just set this right down into here, and then it has a little screw here where I can put that on there. Now this can rotate however you want. Let me go ahead and plug this in real quick to my mouse pad. I believe I have some extra spots available, so we can check that out. Nice long cord, probably, oh, let's see here, about 5 feet, I'd say, on the cord. Let me go ahead and plug this in real quick here. Okay, that was easy, plugged in, and now this can turn around pretty much however way you want it. It's going to hold in place there. We have the nice lights here, and wow, that is really clear. And we also have the different spectrums of the white light there, so that is nice. Wow. So if you have a sliver or something in your hand, that is a really good magnifying. I'm going to go ahead and get my camera from the other side so you guys can see how well this is working. That's incredible. Very clear, nice lens there. Okay, we also have this plate too it comes with. So this is nice sturdy metal plate here. Comes soft, like a foam on the bottom, and that allows us to just move this over to here if you don't have your table or whatever to put this on. And then, oops, that screws out pretty far, doesn't it? And there we go. There we go. And we just screw that in however we want that to be, and we have this nice little table mount, so it doesn't have to be actually mounted on a desk or anything like that. Yeah, I'm going to let you guys just see the view from this side and just how incredible it is. Very handy light here. I like how you have the different aspect lights, the different colors of white basically. Sometimes it's easier to see things through the different spectrum there, so that is really nice. And then we can make it brighter or dimmer. So there's, gets pretty dim to almost nothing, and then we can just crank up the brightness, and that is really useful too. Could we probably even use this as like a little reading light also. But anyways, very handy. Crafting and things like that, sometimes it's difficult to see, and as we get older, you know, we need to be able to see a little bit better. So let's take a look at it through the regular lens here. You can just see how incredible it is. Well, this is actually kind of interesting. I didn't know this, but yeah, my phone is actually making corrections for the zoom, so you're not really able to see the zoom or the magnification level, really. That's interesting. So when I'm going in or out, it's changing the focus on here. So even though I'm looking through it, my magnifying glass here for me, well, I guess you can kind of see it there. Yeah, okay. But if I get close, you can't really see. So you can see how big, much bigger my fingers are there than that. So the further I am with my eye, though, I'm looking at it, and it's way bigger than what we're seeing right here. So I can clearly see if I had a sliver or something, it'd be much more visible and a lot easier to work with. So pretty handy. I like how I can just be close or have things further away and be able to just still see them. So about within about a foot of this, so I don't have to work super close to the magnifying glass, within about a foot is the range necessary. So I wasn't really able to demonstrate that very well, but the working distance here is probably about, yeah, it's about a foot away. If you go farther, then it gets a little bit difficult to see, but right about here, I could thread a needle or tie a fly or anything. I like how I can put this right by my face. It's not in my way. It's not difficult to manipulate or anything like that. So, and this can be pretty much any way you want it to go. Spin it around, rotate it, all kinds of good stuff. So that can be twisted pretty much any way that you want. I like how it puts out a nice amount of light here as well. Very handy for crafting. Even if you have difficulty reading, you could use this, you know, just put it up there and like, okay, now I can see better. So whether you can have a book or crafting or all kinds of different things, but very handy little device here. And whether you want to mount it just on anything or a table, this flat plate is very cool too, as it doesn't really get in the way. Very low profile, but very sturdy as well. This is like a solid metal, so that is cool. Nice magnifying glass. Thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I'll see y'all next time.